Open Canva. As you can see, there are a lot of options. Let's make a Valentine's Day Instagram post. On the home page, you will see a Valentine's Day special option. Click on that, and you will see a lot of template options, especially for Valentine's Day. Click on the template which you want to choose, and click on Customize this template. Then we can start editing the design. I am going to change the page design. Click on Elements, then search for Pattern Background. There are a lot of different patterns, so let's select one design which you love to use for the background. Right-click on the pink background and select the Delete option. Select a new background from the pattern. Resize it by dragging the border of the design. After that, right-click on the new background and go to Layers. Then select Send to Back option, and it will go back to the background. Right-click on the red heart design and select the Delete option. Right-click on the heart design on the design and delete it. Choose the design you want to add to that position, and rearrange its size. I am going to add something different to that heart design. Let's choose this lip design. Make it small and put it inside the heart.
After that, I am going to change the subheading. Let's change the Valentine's Day. I am only going to change the font. Let's select a totally different style. In the same way, change the sale font too. Then change the brand name seen at the end of the page. Let's add one more design. From the elements I selected, a red color design. Using the flip option from the edits, change the design position. Resize the design with poster compatibility. Now we can see the final look of the design. In a few minutes, I designed an Instagram Valentine's sale post, which we can also use for the Reels and Story, or we can also post in a different social media platform. Go to Share, then click on Download option. It will download to your PC. Give a like to this video if you liked this. And subscribe for more videos.